Hi everyone! So today I'm going to be making taktouka, which is a traditional Moroccan dish. It's something that's used as a spread, it's eaten alone, it's added to stuff, it's very, very universal in the Moroccan community. It's also something that differs from family to family, just how tamales differ from family to family, or curry in the Indian tradition will differ from family to family. So there's going to be different ingredients that are used with each and every family. But today I'm going to cover the basics of taktouka.
Ingredients, I'm going to use a green bell pepper, 2 tomatoes, maybe 1 if 2 is too many, a little bit of salt and pepper, cayenne red pepper, parsley, paprika, cumin, minced garlic, olive oil, and sugar. So because taktouka differs so greatly from family to family, I will be boiling these tomatoes just in order to peel them. Some recipes require that you peel the tomatoes and some do not. But for this recipe, I will be peeling the tomatoes. In order to peel tomatoes, I am creating an X on the bottom and will boil them for about a minute. So while my tomatoes are boiling, I will start to grill this bell pepper. So I just got these tomatoes out of the boiling water, and now they're nice and peelable. There's not going to be any skin left on these tomatoes when I go to cook the taktouka. So while my bell pepper is grilling, I'm going to dice up these tomatoes so they're in perfectly bite-sized chunks so that we can add it to our taktouka. For this recipe, I will not be de-seeding my tomatoes. However, for some recipes, they require that you de-seed your tomatoes. So now that my bell pepper is off the grill, I will be de-seeding it and also cutting it into bite-sized chunks. You'll also notice that I peeled this green bell pepper just like I had peeled the tomatoes.
So now that I have my tomatoes and my bell pepper diced up, I will heat this olive oil. And add all my ingredients and let it simmer. So now I'm going to come in with some of my tomatoes. And then my bell pepper. So now we're coming in with our garlic. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of garlic. So just like that. Next, the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of parsley. I don't have fresh chopped parsley, so I will be using dried parsley. Now we're going in with a half teaspoon of paprika, and then 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, just a dash of cayenne pepper, a little bit of salt, and then just a pinch of sugar. Now what I'm going to do is stir in all these ingredients together and cover them and leave them there to simmer until everything's nice and soft, and our taktouka will be ready to go. All my ingredients in this pan. I'm going to leave it to simmer, covered, for about 15 minutes. I'll come back and check on it. Hope that those tomatoes and bell peppers are softened, and we'll be ready to go. Because it's kind of hard to find Moroccan bread here, we're using a French baguette. That is an alternative that a lot of Moroccans would use. So when you go to eat this, it is a spread on top of bread. It can be on a sandwich. It can be eaten by itself. I want your honest opinion.
Spicy.
Spicy?